Hey, we want your chopsticks.
Oh yeah, we should try chopsticks. Okay, take a picture now.
Hurry up. In this video.
Hey, don't hit me with the knife.
I'll chop off your face.
Zachary, you're gonna ask for the chopsticks. Got yourself out.
We all asked for chopsticks.
What's this NL mean?
Means milliliter.
She just stuck her whole tongue in my mouth.
Yeah.
Okay. Straight facing. That was awkward. I just felt like that. She like sticks out her tongue and turns.
Like we're virgin
I'm
tongue.
texting a friend now.
Which one?
Jeff.
Look how sad that is. I only got like that much root beer left.
Right.
Yeah, and I haven't even gotten my meal. Where's my meal? I don't see it. I don't see it.
Oh, there ain't no more.
I want to see half and half. Milk and chocolate.
He's taking a video, I think.
I am taking a video. Close up.
Everybody got it.
You put freaking black bit right in your mustache. Look on the mustache. It's like, no, it's like a piece of
gone,
black.
right? It's gone?
Piece of black.
It's under my nail.
It's a piece of ass.
It's gone.
That's what it is.
It's gone. It's gone.
Oh my god, it's Zachary.
I'm gonna get you back. Just you'll like it when I get you back. Okay.
No, switch it over here. Bring it over here so I can.
Yeah,
Oh no! Bloop 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 bloop. Oh, I'm vibrating. And donk 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 donk.
And you know, gangsters, they clock the gun like this. You licked my face.
You got some money. Get some
Where's
money.
Where's that money? Look, look.
Sure.
That's fine.
Hey, Brittany, guess what?
What?
We're gonna make butter.
Oh yeah, let's do it one time. One of these. Butter. Butter.
Whoa, real lots of rice.
I know. We're making some butter. Okay, let's try to do this. Dude.
Ask for chopsticks.
Oh yeah.
How can she eat that with chopsticks?
I want to try.
What is this?
It's a.
Oh, this camera is upside down.
It's like a wonton noodle. They're really good with like this together because they don't have a taste.
They're kind of gross.
It turns it right side up. That's interesting. Oh, why am I staring at you?
You're not supposed to stop. Keep going.
I'm making butter. They have chopsticks and like fried chicken and Pizza Hut.
No.
You're gonna drip my chain in your Don't drip my chain in your noodle.
I will strudel your noodle.
Oh. I will noodle
Your strudel.
your butter.
This is on for 42 minutes.
What?
Oh.
No, it hasn't been on for 42
I
minutes.
was like,
No, it just tells you how much time is left. Seriously.
you know how awkward this looks? I will jack off my thing too.
I'm making butter.
I want to make butter.
I love this commercial. Oh, it's TV.
What is she doing? What the heck?
We should ask them for. Go ask them for if they have chopsticks here.
There you go.
How'd you do that to?
Oh, my arm is.
Who'd you do that to?
So sore.
Who'd you do that to?
Ching Wing Tang.
Smart.
Okay, stop jacking off your butter.
I can't.
It's so good.
Oh, my arm.
You know what's really cool? I went to a Chinese restaurant in Edmonton. They make the food right in front of you on a grill.
You were in Edmonton yesterday? Montana?
And they put this stuff right in front of you, and they put this like oil or grease or whatever, and then they put a flame, and it goes like boom.
Ew, I think I got it in my drink.
What did you do?
Ew, okay, it didn't. You're in line.
What? Is it in mine? Is it?
Okay, here, give me my camera.
Ew, I hope it didn't go in my drink.
Oh, you guys.